Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily see removed friends on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Facebook app. Then right here tap at menu icon and then hit at gear icon. After that get into profile settings and then scroll down until you find activity log. Then scroll down again and tap at connections. Now select removed friends and it will show you all your removed friends in chronological order from recent to oldest. If you want, you can remove even that information from here. All you have to do is just tap at this three dots icon next to that record and then just hit at delete. Then confirm it. That's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Facebook tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.